Myself S.C. Pandey from Tagore Public School, Surajgarh. As I have delivered different lectures on the chapter 5 of class 12 CBSE, as the discussion has done in previous lecture about the law of independent assortment, in which I told you that the phenotype ratio is 9:3:3:1 and genotype ratio is 1:2:1:2:4:2:1:1 and the different gene generally express their traits independently. Today I will discuss about the topic chromosomal theory of inheritance. Before discussion about the chromosomal theory of inheritance, I want to tell you about the back history, as Mendel, who submit their research work in 1865 at the Natural History Society, and publisher published research work in 1866, but the lack of knowledge of statistics at that time and lack of communication facility at that time, and Mendel told that control of the trait occur by the gene or factors which are found in the nucleus part. So in 1900, after the completion of the total of the 34 years of research work published, or after 16 years of death of Mendel, as Mendel was died in 1884, three scientists, Hugo de Vries from Holland, Karl Lorenz from Germany, and Erich von Sermack from Austria, has done the experiment and put a explanation which are found similar, but they belong to different country. Later on in 1900, these three scientists, Hugo de Vries, Karl Lorenz, and Sermack, told about the Mendelian law of inheritance. Later on, chromosomal theory of inheritance, explained by the two scientists. One is Walter Sutton and Theodore Swan. Here Walter Sutton and Theodore Baveri in 1902. They explain about the chromosomal theory. As Walter Sutton and Theodore Baveri told that genes are present on the surface of chromosome. Chromosome which contain the one pair chromatid and the genes are present in the form of pair, I mean to say close to each other in the form of pair, and generally these are present on the homologous chromosome. These are genes present on the chromosome in the linear fashion. Chromatids are attached with a centrally part called as centromere. This is the total structure of chromosome which has discussed by the Sutton and Boweri. Sutton and Boweri, who told that genes are present on the surface of chromatids, part of the chromosome which control the character, as earlier told by the Gregor John Mendel. The term factor. Later on, in 1909, Johansen told the term gene first for the term factor told by the G.J. Mendel, father of biology, father of genetics. So, I can explain about the chromosomal theory which has discussed about the different type of pairing and separation of chromosome, different type of changes occur in the meiosis first and meiosis second type of division of meiosis. Suppose I took one pair of chromosome in which the chromosome may identify by the different color. Suppose in the case of G1 stage, the chromosome R has shown by the such type of structure. In the G1, as the chromosome which has shown one pair, but these chromosomes are having the two type of color. Suppose one is red color, another is green color. So in the G2 phase, the condition is differ. In the G2, there is the duplication occur, so the chromosome which become in the form of contain one pair of chromatid has seen here clearly. Likewise, one pair of chromatid also visible in the green color. Later on, in meiosis first, in the anaphase stage, in the meiosis first, anaphase stage, the condition is found in which the condition has shown, like in the anaphase, two cell produces H. Suppose in the meiosis first, the condition is like such type of condition has shown for red color, and for green color. As red color in the anaphase has shown here, green color also has shown in the case of the condition arises in the anaphase of meiosis first. In the anaphase of meiosis first, there is condition arises in which the chromatid reach involve in the crossover. As in the crossover case, suppose this condition arises, here a part of green color reaches to the chromatid of the red color. Next type here as shown, in which a part of red color chromatid reaches to the green color. In the homologous chromatids, only one chromatid take parts in the exchange, as the part exchange has shown here. Suppose this part exchange by this, as it has seen that the condition arises, suppose this green color part reaches to the red and such red part reaches to the green. After this, in meiosis second type of division, this is meiosis second type of division. In the case of anaphase, where formation of two cells occur, and in each cell it is found that presence of the one red color chromatid, another type of chromatid which has few part red color and few part green color. So the centromere which attract the such type of structure during separation towards it, and the condition arises here in which one part is totally green color, but another part has few part as green color, few has red color, like this. And centromere attract the chromatids towards it. But in the case of germ cell formation, germ cell means gamete formation. So in the case of meiosis, formation of four gamete take place. So these four cells assigned by the symbol as one cell only contain the red color chromatid, another cell contain the red color chromatid, but a part present green color also. In case of third cell, generally presence of green color chromatid, and in the case of fourth cell which has green color chromatids one part and another part has green colors and red color also. So the condition arises as if crossing over occur. This is crossing over condition, and crossing over occur before anaphase, as crossing over occur in the case of meiosis first, prophase first in achitin stage. So after crossing over, then the metaphase first, and next one in the meiosis first, then a condition arises, that is anaphase first, where the such type of chromatids has shown. In the meiosis second, in case of anaphase second, when the chromatid position is right angle to the first, Here formation of two cells occur, but as completion of meiosis second, each cell again divides and produces four cells. These four cells are four daughter cells produces during the meiosis division. And meiosis division, which has two parts, one is meiosis first, another is meiosis second, and G1 G2 are the phases of the interphase. As we know that cell division has two phases, one is called as interphase, which has generally G1 S and G2 phase. So this G1 phase in which RNA and protein synthesis take place. In the S phase, duplication of DNA or replication of DNA result. The DNA become double, which is shown in the G2 stage, where once again RNA and protein synthesis take place. When cell enters in the M phase, then cell first of all chromosome divides, which is called as karyokinesis. In the case of meiosis, karyokinesis has two steps. Meiosis first, which is long duration, because meiosis first has prophase first, which has 5 substages as liptotin, zygotin, pegchitin, diplotin and diakinesis. In the meiosis first, prophase first, pegchitin stage, the crossing over occur. Crossing over means exchange of the segment of the chromatids from paternal chromatid means father chromatid to the maternal chromatid means mother chromatid. After exchange, the segment of chromatids are combined, which has shown here by the help of sketch. I am trying to explain this. As you see that red color chromatids has green colors from the green chromatid, and this red color chromatid part reaches to the red chromatid, and green chromatid few part has red color. So this is called crossing over. After crossing over, different others stages occur in the diplotin and diakinesis. In diakinesis, separation of the paternal and maternal chromatid completely occur. Then metaphase first. After this, anaphase first. So anaphase first stage, Generally, chromatids which are attached by the centromere, and centromere attached with the centriole part on the opposite pole, which has shown by me by the such type of dot line. These attached, this stretch the chromatids towards opposite pole in the anaphase husk. Later on, in meiosis second, in anaphase second, the condition is deeper. Here two cell produces, and these two cells, which generally contain the such type of chromatids which start separate to each other. Separation occur by the spindle fiber which attach at one side to the centriole, another side to the centromere part by which chromatid attach. In the end of meiosis second, two cells divides into four daughter cells in the form of germ cells or in the form of gamete. So, gametes or germ cells are same, which generally has a type of condition. The germ cells or gamete produces as a result of meiosis division causes variation. So variation occur as a result of meiosis division. Meiosis division only occur in a diploid cell, which is called as meiocyte cell. Like in case of testis in male human, such meiocyte cell is called as primary spermatocyte cell, which is diploid. As a result of meiosis first, secondary spermatocyte cell produces, which is haploid in nature. But in meiosis second, the spermatid formation occur from the secondary spermatocyte cell, which are also haploid in nature. But in such cell, in the spermatid cell, chromosome numbers are same. Means meiosis second is just like the mitosis division because no change of chromosome number, but cell number increases. In the last of meiosis second, two cells develop four daughter cells, and each daughter cell has the chromatids which are haploid in nature, and these haploid chromatids has the different color in the second and fourth, but in the first and second the parent color appears. So the variation occur due to meiosis division, due to crossing over in the prophase first in Peyk-Keating stage. Here, Walker-Sutton chromosomal theory of inheritance explained clearly by the help of 4-pair chromosome in the fruit fly. Fruit fly means Drosophila melanogaster, by the scientist called Thomas Hunt Morgan. Thomas Hunt Morgan in 1910. Thomas Hunt Morgan in 1910 study on the fruit fly, which zoological name is Drosophila melanogaster, which has 4 pairs of chromosome, means 8 chromosome. He explained the chromosomal theory of inheritance as the Drosophila melanogaster has small size male and large size female. This is the male fruit fly. Next one is large size female, which is shown here. Large size female and small size male. So it is called sexual dimorphism. Sexual dimorphism is found in the fruit fly, and fruit fly sometimes has their white surface and red color eyes. As red color eyes due to the presence of red color chromatin, and sometimes body surface is found yellow color with the different color eyes. So it shows the variation. Variation occur in the offspring in the human. Suppose a parent has 4 offsprings, 2 daughters, 2 sons, then one son is more longer, means taller than another son. One daughter is taller than another daughter. This type of phenotype traits is called variation. Chromosome structure has discussed already, and these chromosome contain chromatids. One chromosome contains 1 pair of chromatid. Here means one chromosome contains 2 chromatids. It has shown that a type of thread-like structure on which the genes are attached on the chromosome. This is called as chromomere. Here chromomere, and these are genes present generally in the linear fashion in the chromosome. So in this way, chromosomes govern the phenotype character, genotype character of an organism. As chromosomal theory of inheritance explained first by the Walter Sutton and Theodore Bowell in 1902, he told that the numbers of chromosomes in an organism is fixed, like diploid chromosome in human are 46, diploid chromosome in Pisum sativum, I mean to say garden pea, also 14. So haploid number of chromosome in garden pea is 7. Haploid number of chromosome in the human 23, and this 23 chromosome is called genome. And this genome, which has studied in the Human Genome Project, which is called as Mega Project, starting from 1990 and completed in 2003. So 13 years program, in which it has noticed that genes are present on the surface of chromosomes. So these are the discussion by the help of the structure of chromosome, by the help of different type of changes in the chromatids, threads during the crossing over, in case of meiosis first, prophase first, in pakitin stage, and formation of 4 daughter cells as a result of meiosis take place. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Super Classes. Thanks.